Guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be reviewing the Fifine Tank 3 microphone. So I've used the K688 and I've also used the Fifine AM8. So today with the Tank 3, I'm pretty excited because this is their most expensive high-end mic. And I really like the K688 and I really like the AM8 mic. Let's get this set up. But before that, we also got a boom arm from Fifine. My boom arm is a decent one, but this current boom arm that they sent over looks so much better. So let's go get this thing set up. Okay, so for now, we're gonna just set this up right here at the desk, just so I can have both my Shure and my Tank 3 connected. So we're also gonna do a sound comparison. But so for now, we're just gonna put this here at the front of the desk. So I'll have two mics. Setup is really easy. So you just got this thing right here. And so if you don't see a place where you can tighten this up, so right here, you can tighten this up with an Allen wrench, so it stops wiggling. So I currently have the Tank 3 right here. The cool thing about this Tank 3, it has a mute button here at the front, and that guy glows when it's muted. We have the mic gain right here, and we also have a headphone monitoring thing. And as far as connections, we have a USB-C, and we have a XLR if you want to connect it via XLR, and we also have the headphone jack for the monitoring. So pretty cool. The build quality, it's pretty solid, honestly. I like how this is hanging down so it acts like a shock mount. One thing that's different from the K688 is it doesn't have like a filter. Well, the K688 has like a little pop filter thing that you can insert in here, and this one, like it has a built-in pop filter inside. So can't wait to see how this guy sounds. So for today, to make a lot of things easier, I elected to use USB-C because if I use this mic full time, I would be using USB-C because I don't mess with audio systems. I just want my microphone plugged in straight to my computer. And because I use a Steam Deck, I also have the Elgato software. I could mix my streams when I'm streaming. So just a plug and play USB-C mic is perfect for what I need. Okay, so I just switched over to my computer right now and I wanted to simulate what it would sound like if I was streaming Valorant. So this is like what it will be. Like the microphone, if I was playing video games, would be right here in my face. Because this is a dynamic microphone, the sound only comes, or you have to talk into the mic. It's not like a cardioid microphone where you could basically have it far and it just captures everything around the room. So I'm curious to see how this sounds. And I usually use the Shure microphone, so I'm gonna be switching over to the Shure microphone here in a second, and you tell me how this sounds and if this microphone is worth it for the price, and we'll talk about pricing here pretty soon. So switching to my Shure microphone now. Okay, so I'm currently using the Shure microphone now. This is the sound that I'm used to. So how does it sound compared to the Fifine Tank 3 microphone? So I don't know what this sounds like yet. I still need to plug this in into Final Cut. And then from there, I'll review those clips and then I can do a fair comparison. So this is the sound from the Shure microphone. And I'll see you guys back in my main camera. Okay, welcome back. So I just reviewed the clips here on my computer. So first initial thoughts is the sound is so much brighter, and I mentioned that you have to talk into the mic because it's not a condenser microphone, it's dynamic. So if you actually pull the mic out really far, it gets really silent. So that's actually a good plus because it has really good noise isolation. So that's a plus right there, because I know a lot of people would definitely benefit from that. Now that I think about it, I might give this mic to my brother-in-law because he's been needing a new mic. And with screaming kids in the background, you can usually hear him since he's using a condenser microphone. So with a dynamic microphone like this, and you'd have to literally speak to the mic, this would greatly benefit him. So the sound's a little bright. There's no app for it, and not like the Shure microphone where you can make it sound bright or warm. So that would be a con. There's no apps. However, there are apps online where you could equalize your mic. I haven't tried that yet, but I might in the future. Sound coming out of the microphone, I thought it was pretty good. One thing that I like using this microphone too is the ability to plug it into your iPhone. Since it's USB-C, you just plug in the USB-C to the back of your iPhone, and if you're doing like a video like this where you just want to do a voiceover, definitely a good thing. It's definitely cool to see that you could do that with this microphone. So my initial thoughts from using the K688 and the AM8, they have different sound profiles. If you want like a warmer tone, the AM8 microphone is for you. And if you want it a little bit bright, this microphone is better. I can tell why this is like the higher end microphone of Fifine. It's just built a lot better. Like the build construction compared to the K688. K688 is all plastic, and this one feels like it's like aluminum. So maybe, I don't know if it's aluminum, but it feels a lot sturdier and better. One thing that I felt like is a con is it doesn't come with a stand. The AM8 microphone comes with a stand, but again, it's so easy to buy a boom arm, and the boom arm that Fifine sent over, the BM68, works perfectly, and with the ability to hide the wires, it's just really cool. I really like it. For the price of $79, I thought it's fair. And I mean, Black Friday is coming, so usually they put these mics on sale. So if this mic is on sale, I definitely snag one. Compared to like a $179 or $250 mic, yeah, this could definitely be someone's endgame mic if they're like a beginner streamer, and if they're like they just like doing podcasts. I would definitely recommend this microphone. So what do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments which mic you preferred and if this mic is decent value. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, help me get to 1K. Or if you just want to chat with me, I'll be live on Twitch, trading, or gaming. So follow me. I'll leave my handle right here. And thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.